Most people dream about owning something like that in their lifetime. And I sacrificed, gave all of that up to start traveling the world, to live out of literally a computer bag suitcase. And most people will be like, oh, that's crazy. No, I love freedom. I love my freedom because I started realizing that house, having a house payment every month, having to make sure the house is maintained every month, it was enslaving me. I was not happy. And that's what love is. Even with me, when I was in my marriage with Cece, we had a loving marriage. We both were willing to sacrifice and grow and become better people for the sanctity of the marriage. Love is about sacrifice. So many people are out here using this word and they're not willing to sacrifice anything. How many of you out there heard, whether it's a man or a woman, oh, you don't have to love me for who I am? Nobody has to love you for nothing. Like, please realize that no one has to love you for nothing. You have to love yourself enough to be with someone else. You have to be willing to sacrifice the parts of you that may not be the best parts to take into a relationship. The best parts that may not be the best parts to take into a marriage. This is why divorce rates are so high.